Welcome to this video, guys. This is Bahar and I draw here every day. I saw a picture from SpongeBob SquarePants, so I decided to draw him today with you. Let's go drawing. I start with his nose and then I draw his cheek. Now it's turn off his eyes. Just draw some big and small circles. Don't forget 3 small eyelashes for every eye. If you enjoy from this video, please like it. Thanks. Now I draw a big mouse with 2 teeth. If you want drawing videos like that, please subscribe my channel. Now I draw his body just like his sponge. Now it's turn off his hands. The important point is that SpongeBob has 4 fingers in every hand. Yesterday I drew XXtenations in my channel, that's a link, don't forget that. Now I draw small circles like holes on his body. Now I draw his panty by drawing a straight line like a square, and then I draw a very small tie for him. That's very cute. draw his legs. He's jumping, so I draw his legs in air. He's not standing on the ground. Well guys, my drawing is finished. Tell your idea in comment for me. I read all of them.